Alright, hello first graders. Alright, we are going to start on day 2. So, we're talking about what inventions do you know about? So yesterday we learned in the story Great Inventions that you guys will also read later again on your whiteboard about different inventions. So what do you know about? What are some of the ones that we saw? How about the light bulb? The light bulb. What do you know about the invention of the light bulb? Right. As the years went on, it changed, right, didn't it? Alright. Complicated. I would say complicated. If something is complicated, it has many parts and is difficult to understand. So, right here we have a toolbox. It could be complicated, right, if you don't know what this is. So when you open it up, it's got this fancy little lever that's kind of complicated. So you have to pull it up over the thing. It has different parts that go on it. And then if you open up the lid, then even inside there's different drawers and compartments that you have to open up. So it's got different parts. And it could be complicated for you. Alright, device. A device is an object made to do a certain job. Such as like a can opener. It's a device to open your food, right? Think about this right here, this device. What do we use this device at school for? Right, if you hear us outside at recess, you blow it, and that's your signal. That's the device we use for you guys to line up, right? So this is a device, a whistle. Alright, imagine. When you imagine something, you think of something that isn't real or hasn't happened yet. So right here, if you think about Cinderella, it's imaginary. It's imaginary. So it's something that you haven't thought of, right? Alright, so on your whiteboard you have the story again called Great Inventions. So you guys are going to reread it later on. I want you guys to think about what we read about yesterday. Which inventions do we use the most? What are some ones that we use the most? I would say our car and the light, right? Which one do we use the least amount now? Are we writing letters and those kind of things? What other inventions can you move? What's some other inventions that you can move? And what would life be like without these inventions? Would life be easier or would it be harder? You should make sure that you reread that today. Alright, we're going to change the middle sound. So we're going to take out that middle sound to or to make a new word. So we have pet. If I take out the or, the middle sound, what's the new word? Port. Port. Good job. Tin, take out the I, put an or. Orn. Torn. Good job. Can, take out the ah. Take out the ah and it. What's the new word? Orn. Corn. Good job. We have hen. Take out the I, put an or. So ha. Orn. Horn. Card. Take out the R sound in the middle. So k. Ord. Cord. Good job. Now we have park. Park. Take out the AR sound. What do you have? Orc. Pork. Alright, remember we're talking about O-R, O-R-E, and O-A-R, and they all sound the OR sound. Alright, you guys are going to watch another video on your whiteboard of an OR sound video. Alright, let's practice this word. Ready? Or. More. Good job. K. Orc. Cork. We have the O-R. Ooh, look, we have a digraph right here. Sh. Or. T. Short. And then we have the O-R-E sound, or. So, or, score. All right. This word was north. North. How are we going to spell north? Let's tap it out. N, or, so O-R. And what diagraph says T-H? So we'd write that. All right, let's write north. Are you ready? N, or, so O-R-T-H. And then I have the diagraph T-H on there. So north. North. The diagraph. Okay, north. All right, our next one we have is a fork. Fork. Orc. So we would spell that F. And what is our vowel? O-R. Or. And then K. Okay. So we have the word fork. Fork. All right, our next one is a storm. Storm. Okay, so S-T. And then we have O-R. And then what is the last sound? M. Storm. So S-T-O-R-M. Storm. Alright, the next one we have is a... Alright, let's read these words. You ready? Born. Born. B-O-R-N. Born. Then we have corn. Born. C-O-R-N. Corn. Born and corn. Do those words rhyme? They do. Alright, then we have core. Or. C-O-R-E. Core. The E is silent. Then we have more. M-O-R-E. More. Core and more. Do those rhyme? They do. They have the rhyming sound. They have rhyming words. Say middle and ending sound. And they're spelled O-R-E. O-R-E. Okay, roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. And then we see the O-A-R and it says or. Roar. Then we have soar. S-O-A-R. Soar. Roar and soar. Do those words rhyme? They do. Then we have her. H-E-R. Her. We have dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Then we have sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. Alright, let's look at our sight words. Alright, I want you guys, if you guys have a whiteboard or a marker, I want you guys to write these words with me, okay? Alright, let's read it. Okay, and we're going to spell it, and then we're going to write it. Ready? Begin. B-E-G-A-N. Begin. Okay, now let's write it. B-E-G-A-N. Began. I began to do my laundry. Began. Okay, your next word. Better. Okay, we read it. Let's spell it. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. Okay, let's write it. B-E-T-T-E-R. And you could be writing this on a piece of paper or whiteboard. Better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. I will get better at writing the more I do it. Better. Okay, let's read the next word. Guess. Okay, let's spell it. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Oh, and it has a bonus letter. Guess. Guess. Okay, let's write it. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. And G is a worm line letter. Alright, the next one, let's read it. We have learn. Okay, let's spell it. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Okay, let's write it. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Learn. will learn how to tie my shoes. Learn. Okay, the next word is write. Let's spell it. R-I-G-H-T, write. I use my right hand. R-I-G-H-T, write. Alright, the next one is sure. Alright, let's spell it. S-U-R-E, sure. Okay, let's write it. S-U-R-E, sure. I was sure I knew the way. Sure. Nice job writing those sight words and practicing those. Alright, so can you blank what is in the bag? So what sight word would go there? Begin, better, guess, learn, write, or sure? Guess, right? Can you guess? Can you guess what is in the bag? Guess. Guess. Okay, the next word. Go through the next sentence. I am blank. I did my homework. So I am began, I did my homework. I am learn, I did my homework. I am better, I did my homework. I am right, I did my homework. Or I am sure I did my homework. Sure. Sure, I am sure I did my homework. Alright, you could be practicing writing these down too with me. Mom blank to make dinner. Mom, what word goes there? Began. Mom began to make dinner. Began. Alright, the next one. We will blank how to read big books. We will blank how to learn how to read big books. Miss Mason just told you the answer. We will learn. We will learn. Right? Learn how to read big books. I like this hat blank than the others. I like this hat. Write it down. What word would go there? I like this hat better. Right, better. Blank. This is the blank way to my house. This is the blank way to my house. This is the right way to my house. This is the right way to my house. Alright, good job, first graders. Don't forget that on this day you need to watch an OR sound video and you need to read Great Inventions again.